Good morning. Good morning, guys. Oh, wrong lighting. Give me 1 second. There we go. That's gonna be much better. All right. So, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody's doing great. Happy Tuesday morning, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, sorry. I'm just I got a little bug here. So bear with me. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. What is going on here? Oh, here we go. I think we got it now. Okay, perfect. Okay, excellent. Okay, I'm with you now. All right, so how everybody's doing? So let's start this intro the right way. So welcome back to existing followers. Welcome if you're new here, and if you're new, you definitely want to do two things. First, you want to subscribe to the channel. Second, the most important thing, you want to activate notification. Because as you know, I'm never on time. And even this morning, I was like, oh man, I'm going to start the stream earlier. Like, I was ready and shit happened. Like, I had some stuff that went, in my way. So, unfortunately, I was not able to start it right away. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so guys, here is the info on the bootcamp. Subscription might go a little, like I said yesterday, we're gonna close subscription. Not subscription. Yeah, subscription. Do we say subscription? That's not the right word. Registration. Okay, I'm gonna close the registration soon, but now I'm gonna have to extend it. And the reason why, guys, don't be scared. It's just because I learned yesterday or the day before that was yesterday, I think. That after I posted, or I don't know the exact timing, whatever, but I need to be in Paris on Wednesday. So, like, that's gonna fuck up a lot of things, So here was what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm gonna create a Discord for the new students, or I might put you in the existing one. Anyways, I'll figure it out. I'll send you an email with the invite. So I'm talking to the people who registered here because I know we got some of you guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up that Discord. I'm going to give you the link of my existing pre-recorded course on price action, because no matter what, you need to watch that price action course before we get going, because if not, you're going to be lost. Okay. So you definitely need that price action course, which including the scalping. The scalping is going to be another thing, but the price action, you need to watch it. Major QP, fib, like all that training, you need to watch it, because a bootcamp, we're going to go fast, right? So you need to watch those. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you access to that course, and I'll get back to you guys on the exact date we're going to get started. It might be pushed to next week. I do apologize. I learned that like yesterday, that I need to be in Paris for business on Wednesday. I'm actually leaving Wednesday night to be there on Thursday morning. So I've got a red-eye flight. So anyways, so long story short, that's what it is. So I do apologize to everyone that was hoping to get started this weekend. We're going to start the week after, okay? So I'm going to get you, and don't forget, guys, don't worry. I'm going to send you an email with the link that you need. Okay, so now, so let's go over the chat here. And Raf, good morning, Sasha. I'm currently at work, so I can't stay long. I've sent you a couple DMs on IG about joining the bootcamp. Yeah, man. Hold on. Let me see, Raf. I don't have those. Did I? Did I send you the info? Because we only have a couple of spots left. What is your name on IG, dude? I remember you sent me some, but I thought I sent you the way to register. Can you pop up again in my DM? And I'll send you how to process, how to subscribe to the bootcamp. I'm sorry about that. All right, so morning, Peter. How you doing, buddy? Investing with Ian. How you doing? Hey, Sasha. Barry, what's up, man? Can I join the boot camp? Yes, there's like couple spot left. I think 4-ish, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, send me a DM either on IG or on Discord. My IG, the link is in the description of the video. Okay, make sure you choose that one because unfortunately, there are some people using fake account with my name, so make sure you use that link. Okay. So hopefully, Raf, you didn't use one of my, not mine, but somebody that's trying to impersonate me. So good morning, Espen. How you doing? Emmy, hey, long time no see, Emmy. How you doing? I think it's the same Emmy as we seen before, right? So all right. So enough talking. Let's do some more trading, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get this banner going here. Boom. Here we go. And let's flip this camera. There we go. Okay. I need to walk though. I need to walk because I'm late on my program here. Give me 1 sec, guys. Bear with me. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna put this here for people that want the info. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go grab my running shoes and yeah. So let me put this walking pad, guys. I'm about to actually. Oh shit! I hope I didn't miss an entry here because I was actually waiting for a close of a 1 hour candle to get into a trade. So hopefully I didn't miss that doing something else just before. But we'll go take a look. All right, give me 1 sec. I'll go around, go get my shoes. All right, guys, we are here. We are back. All right, so, man, this week we have a lot of good potential, lots. And if you were on the Forex Talk Over Beer last week, you know that. We had some great opportunity. All right, so let's get going. Already late here. Let's run. Here we go. Let's start this walking pad. And as usual, you're going to see a funky noise for like 30 seconds. I do apologize. Damn, forgot my Apple Watch. All right. Oh, the noise is not so bad. Oh, it's getting there. Do apologize. It's gonna be there for like 30 seconds. I swear. Okay. Okay. So let's get going. GJ. Nothing much. I'm not gonna talk much about GJ here. There's nothing we can do. Okay. Like, look at this shit show here on the daily. So this, no. Okay, we don't touch that. AUD CAD, that's the one I was waiting for. Okay, so let's do the full breakdown here. You guys ready? By the way, Raph, did you just want to make sure that I need to find your DM. All right, I'll find it later. Okay, so AUD CAD, ladies and gentlemen, we are bearish on the weekly time frame. We got a nice pull back to this weekly area of interest. We kind of rejected the weekly golden zone also, like we're very close to that area, which is great. So nice pullback overall. We hit the major QP and rejected. So here's my note here that I sent, like every time, like on Monday, I go here and I gave all my trade ideas and I put notes on my text. Obviously this is small, but if you click like open in browser, you're gonna see the picture in full. So I sent everything there to my boys and girls that was in the boot camp, so they know exactly what to do, how to do. And this morning what we did is hey, that level has been rejected for a full year, so be careful, because he was looking to get into NZD CAD. AUD CAD add H1 SOS, now just waiting for entry signal. I'm missing a W. So that's what the stuff that we can do on the Discord. So here on AUD CAD, what I was waiting for, because we have the weekly bearish, the daily bearish, we had a nice pullback. The only thing here is the note. All right, so waiting for H4 pullback for continuation, or if daily close bullish, we'll wait for daily pullback. At the moment that I wrote H1 SOS, it's because this candle on this daily was already here, you know? So it did look like we did create a top wick, and now we were melting, and this would have been a booby trap candle, which kind of super rare that this going to be a booby trap candle when it's an engulfing one. Okay, so I was actually shocked. And now you see it did reverse. Okay, so all right, cool. So that's why we wait for all the confirmation before entering a trade, you know. So so here is the H4. We are bearish. We had a nice pullback here, so that's what I was waiting for, eventually for continuation from the daily time frame. And after that, the other step would be the entry signal, and that never happened. So so that's what it is. So here, you know, here if this candle would have been closing engulfing bearish, let's say, you know, or whatever, this would have been nice. But now, look like we have our daily pullback. So look like now, and especially that this morning when I look and I send a message on Discord, like we did broke previous low here. So I was like, looks like we might come down. But now, looks like we're gonna have a decent pullback. So great, perfect. So now we're just gonna have to wait. So how to avoid losses? Follow your plan. Don't be a degen. Follow the same exact fucking plan every day. Rinse and repeat, okay? So now look like this is gonna be closing in 5 minutes, and we're gonna be flipping back bullish. So we're gonna have to wait. So let's get back to it. Let me hit the chat first if we have any questions. By the way, guys, if you have questions, stop me. Don't be shy. Just sent you another message. Maybe check your hidden. All right. Oh, clearly you're my hidden somewhere, because I don't see any message here. Oh shit! What did I do? I think I erased a message for someone by mistake. Hold on. Stand by. I think. General. Send it on IG, right? No, bro. I hope that you're not using one of the fake accounts. Okay, hold on. I'll go again. Sorry, guys. Trying to help my fellow friend here. I see one request here. Is that it? No. No, that's a spam. Like, that is weird. Like, hold on. I'll send you my link. Like, chop chop. Alright, so it should be this one here. So here, I'm going to paste it here. So just make sure, because there's dumbass people using, like, they're going to add like one little line or one dot and, you know, using my same pictures, and people are so dumb. Yeah, I don't, you see, you're not here. Request. No. Like, how do we see general? No. channel. Oh, what is that? Hidden. Yeah, no. Yeah, weird, man. So, very weird. All right, so hopefully you figured it out. If not, send me an email. Send me an email at. Hold on. What's my? I always forgot. I'm with you guys. Here we go. Alright, so that's gonna be MaxiNet FX Dogs Academy at iCloud.com. FX the enemy. There we go. Perfect. I'm actually gonna add this in the description of the video. Want to sign up for the next bootcamp? Shoot us an email at. There we go. Do apologize, guys. Academy. There we go. Oh man, that's why I'm like all over the place. Forgot to take this. I got the magic pill. Okay, now we should be good. No more interruption. All right, guys. I don't know. You can interrupt me as you want. You know, ask question, but I'm not gonna stop anymore for that boot camp. Okay. So now let's get started, for real. So EduCAD, we're gonna have to be patient. Candle just closed, so let's update this since we are already here. So we're gonna do H1 higher high, H1 higher low, and perfect. All right, so let's wait. Now let's move on to the next pair, a USD GPY. Let's take a look here. We got the weekly bearish, okay? So weekly bearish, nice pullback. We came down. We grabbed some move on USD GPY last week and the week before. We grabbed a couple move. So if you were on Forex Talk over here, you know about it. So here was the plan that I sent on Discord to some of the students. And if I'm not wrong, I think there's one who actually grabbed it. We have nice pullback here, rejecting daily area of interest just before the daily golden zone, but we did reject the 382 level, so which is good. Also major QP at 151, and if you go down to the 4-hour time frame, this was actually pretty good. On the lower time frame, you had a nice pullback after, yeah, because you know the 4-hour time frame right here was bullish, right? So we went bullish, and by breaking under here, we flipped bearish. We pull up, retest this level, boom, to go down. Okay. So now if you go down to the lower time frame, you'll see this was the perfect entry right here. You know, perfect entry. You had the pullback, nice engulfing. This was for people trading. That's why I said perfect entry. I didn't took it. It was during London session. I'm sleeping at that time, so yeah, it's I cannot take it, right? So here was the perfect entry though. So if I was trading London session, that would have been my entry right here. I would be stop above this area +5, so meaning 28 +5, what, 33? So somewhere around there, and I'll go for 3, 2, 1. Oh shit! Look at this. TP would have been hit like instantly. So, I mean, if you were watching Forex Talk over beer last Thursday night, this was one of the trade idea I gave you, you know. So, and anyone in our Discord actually had the same trade idea. Just gotta execute now, you know. So, so yeah, man, this played out pretty nicely, man. And that's where like people sometimes say, "Oh man, the great move happened during London session. I should stay awake." That is dumb, you know. Like that is. I mean, if you're young and you know, like it's okay, you know, you can do whatever you want. But I mean, if you have family and you're grown up, and I mean, this doesn't make sense. You cannot let the market dictate your lifestyle. I mean, fuck it, you know. Like there's so many opportunities. I'm not gonna let the market decide. Like when I go to bed, like f you, you know. It's like then that sometimes when people does that, I'm not gonna lie, don't want to be rude, but that's FOMO. You know, that's pure fucking FOMO. Like now, here I'm not talking about like stay an hour later because you have a great feeling that that candle is gonna close at that hour, giving you your entry signal. I'm not talking about like going to bed an hour later. I'm talking about like not sleeping during the night. That is fucked. That is fucked. That's not good for your body. That's not good for anyone. You know, that's not good for people living with you. Because you're going to have bad humor, you know, the next day. You're going to be like all grumpy, you know. So I don't think that's good. Fuck, man, it's getting warm pretty quick here. All right, let's continue. Whew. Man, I can't wait. I got my barbershop appointment tomorrow. Holy. Hey, man, those hair is growing. Like, I'm telling you, man. Holy fuck, this magic. Okay, so all right, now let's move on. Next pair. By the way, you guys, you stop me if you see anything or you have a question. Raf just sent you. Then when I get a okay, so let me check here my email very quickly. Now I'm scared. Like, did I give you the wrong email? Shit. Like, how do I do a refresh of this? Now, like, did I? I'm just hoping I send the copy link. Now I'm wondering if I send the right email because I don't see email. God damn it, Sasha. What did I do here? Let me post this here. Alright, so I'm gonna post it here and just compare if I did a mistake. FX D8 Academy ACA. Now I just copy paste. I didn't write it, so it must be good. Man, like is all my system like don't like you, Raph? Like what's going on here? That's so weird. Maybe junk? No. No. Trash? No. Man, hopefully this email gets through. Like, what's going on here? Alright, I'll also send my Discord, man. That's fucked up. Like, how do I send my personal info? Alright, hold on. Stand by. Here, I guess. Here is copy username, I guess. Alright, so again, here's my username on Discord. So send me a DM. What the fuck, man? It's so weird, man. Okay. That's the perk of being in Europe. You can trade in London and what? Yeah, I know. So I'm gonna be in Europe like Wednesday. So I'm gonna be in Paris. So I'm gonna do both. So I'm gonna do both for like a couple of days. Yeah. And yeah, okay. So alright, let's continue here. But guys, do not forget to smash the like button as you're coming in. Euro GPY. Let's break it down. Let's break it down. Let's break it down. All right, so we got Euro GPY here, bearish on the weekly time frame. You see the note, wait for daily lower high. And holy, look at this rejection of that daily gold. Telling you, man, those gold are a magnet. Boop. Or vacuum, I don't know. Sounds more like a vacuum than magnet than just did. So yeah. Okay, so now, no. I still think we're gonna have it like a pullback here. It's either we're gonna continue with the daily pullback, or I'm gonna wait for the lower high potential here on H4 to go down. So I'm gonna place a note here. Wait for lower high potential. Wait for lower high potential. Oh, by the way, guys, some people ask me about the live stream during the bootcamp. It's gonna be paused, so I'm gonna be focusing with the students. Wait for lower high potential on H4 or pull back on daily. Okay, perfect. Let's move on. Into DCHF. Whoa, this shit's melting. Okay. We're bearish on the weekly. We also bear. Whoa, okay. Damn. Okay. And if you were live with us on last Forex Talk Over Beer and last Tuesday, you know we discussed this area here. And if you remember correctly, I said we should be good under this major QP and fill daily wick. Look at this. Look, daily wick, I said. Remember that? Do you guys remember that? That was on February 25. Okay, after February 25, I said during the live session, I said if this candle close under this major QP, we're gonna be good to go. We're gonna be good to go down and fill this daily wick. Price action, baby. Price action. You gotta learn it. Okay, so now. Yeah, okay. This shit melt. Here we rejected 382. Why did I grab that move? Hold on, let's see. Wow, this is. Can I be more precise than this? Okay, so now I was waiting for this, and the other thing, did I had, and yeah, here at 9, oh, even here, yeah, they were like, how the hell did I miss that? This, oh, that was on Friday. Yeah, okay. I know that on Friday I didn't really trade. I was busy. But even here, that was later on Friday, and here, this was Sunday. And Sunday, I didn't look at the market. Because last week, if you remember correctly, I usually don't take trade on Sunday, and I got 2 losses by taking a trade on Sunday. So I'm like, fuck that shit. Not doing this again, you know? But the opportunity was right here, you know, so. And here would it make sense, you put stop above this structure right here plus 5. So let's say 27. Here we go. And let's see where we at. Right now, we would be like a kind of a 221. Just want to see if that's going to hit TP or not. I'm going to say here. Say. Just for journaling purposes. Okay. So anyways, so now at this stage, this thing is gone. I'm gonna have to pause it and wait for daily pullback at this stage. Or consideration on daily, I'll wait for a pullback on H4. So all right, so let's move on. So this one we can move it down a bit. 80 USD. Okay. So we got a weekly time frame bearish, nice pullback inside that weekly golden zone, which is also no area of interest. Now if you look at the daily just flipped bearish. Friday, actually Thursday. Now wait for a daily pullback. Now we got a support form. Yeah, here we gotta wait. Like here we got a new lower low on H4. So this is now invalid. Let's delete this. And yeah, at this stage, especially after this daily, I mean, if today closed back bearish and we have a booby trap candle situation here, since we have a smaller body candle, yeah, I'm gonna look for a continuation move. But now at this stage, it's kind of iffy, you know. Obviously, if the H4 give me like a resistance form here, might be willing to take a look at it if we have an SOS on H1. So, all right, let's move on. NZD USD, pretty much same idea here. So here we got a weekly bearish, nice pullback, engulfing candle from last week. And here, wait for the daily pullback. Boom. Yep, same idea here. So I'm gonna go a little fast, guys, because I'm a little late, as usual. What the fuck is going on with this candle? And that's Euro GBP. What happened? Do we have news? Monday, Tuesday. Not really. Did something happen? Trump tariffs. Can US be punished for breaking trade laws? That'll be great. Wow. Oh boy. Anyways, all right. So, all right. Let's focus here. So we got a weekly bearish, like I said. We got the daily, also bearish. Nice pullback, very nice pullback. H4 now at the golden zone. So yeah, man. Oh, this one is looking very nice. Boom. Let me double check again. So here, yes, the weekly now is blue, but we are at the beginning of the week, so there's a big chance we are printing the top wick. Daily, nice pullback, which is also the daily golden zone if I'm not wrong. Exactly. Daily and H4 golden zone, which is also retesting previous structure. You know, boom, boom. And we probably have, do we have a major QP here? Major QP is right here. Okay, so perfect, excellent. So yeah, H4, nice. What about H1? H1, all right. So H1 is bullish. We created. Wait, Jesus. Here we go. So let's do. And we are bullish. Okay, so now I'm gonna place an alert here. H1 going bearish. Perfect. Excellent. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Now next one. NZD-GPY. I think we just did it, no? Looks like not. Okay. So NZD-GPY is bearish on the weekly. Once again, wait for daily pullback or H1 SOS. But this stage, pretty sure we're gonna have the daily pullback. That was yesterday. So let's see. Oh, we didn't form. Woo. Okay. So look like we didn't have a continuation move here. Okay. This was unexpected. So now let's take a look at H4. Oh wow. You see, once again. Just by curiosity, was there a possible entry here? So When bullish here, bearish. Oh yeah, right here. 6 p.m. Eastern. Wow, this was beautiful. Beautiful. You can do a more aggressive stop. I would go like above this area, to be honest. How many pips is that? 25, 30? Yeah, I will go like a little bit above here, just to play safe. And you know, again, I'm just gonna mark a note here for journaling purposes. That would have been pretty nice. I think it looks good. But, not gonna lie though, I would not go full risk on that one, because we're already super deep on that move. We are super deep on that move. We are at a lower low, so it's always more risky when you're at the lower low, right? Especially that now, this week's gonna be fill, and that was my main goal at the beginning when I was looking at this move. And we fill this wick, we're not gonna hit our 3-2-1, right? So at this stage, we're on where we at right now. So yeah, we shall see. All right, so NZD-CHF. By the way, guys, if you have any question, let me know. Stop me. Oh, we got Ding Dong. I didn't tell you. Ding Dong. What's up? By the way, guys. By the way, Ding Dong, I'm gonna send you an email probably today or tomorrow. I'm gonna send you an access for Discord. Because we're gonna delay the bootcamp to next week. Unfortunately, I had the news that I need to be in Paris on Wednesday and coming back on next Monday. So yeah, it's fucking up a little bit my plan of the bootcamp this weekend. So I do apologize. We're gonna move it to next week. But meanwhile, I'm gonna send you guys a link with all the videos for the price action course, the fib, the major QP, everything you need to watch before we start the bootcamp. Okay, so it's gonna give you time to actually do it, which is kind of good actually at the end of the day. All right, so let's continue. GCAD. All right. So GCAD, we are bullish on the weekly time frame. We just created a new high. So let's update this chart here. What? Okay, so I did. Wait a second. I didn't upgrade. It's weird. Weekly, right? Weekly our high, and that's gonna be our new or weekly high low. Perfect. Okay. Daily is bullish. Come on, chart. Okay, here we go. Straight bullish, no pullback. I can wait for this pair to give us a pullback and have a great trade to the upside. But meanwhile, I did catch a couple move up here on that trend. Look at those H4 golden zones, super well respected every fucking time, giving us a nice TP. And look like we might have a continuation again. But again, like I said, it's always scary when we are at a high. So let's look left. Shit, we got clean traffic. Let's take a look at the daily. Woo! Come on, daily. There we go. Let's take a look at the daily here to the left. Whoa, it's getting far away. Holy! We're back in 2018 and we're past that level. Okay, so looks like, all right then. I might be willing to take it, and you know what? If I get stuff, I get stuff. So now let's update this. All right, so I'm gonna definitely move this up here. Boom, boom, boom. Here we go. I'm going to place an alert here. Okay, what about the 1 hour? 1 hour here, here. Perfect. Okay. Keep an eye on that one. You're NZD. By the way, guys, you stop me if you have any question, right? And do not forget to smash the like button. What's going on here? All right, so Euro NZD. Oh, like look the same thing here. What the fuck? All right, so look like the same thing. Yep. All right. So definitely gonna be pushing this up a little bit. All right, NZD-CHF. We talked about that one. Euro AUD. Whoa, man, what's going on with those Euro pair right now? Like, whoo, they are on fire. Oh, fuck, there's a spider on my wall. Ugh. I hate spiders. But it's way too far. It's behind my screen. I'm gonna smash everything if I go there. Okay, so, God damn, that spider is disturbing. Fuck, I gotta kill it. Give me 1 second. Alright, let's try not to break anything here. Yeah. Oh, here we go, bitch. Ha! My house. Alright, cool. Okay, what's going on with this cam here? Here we go. Alright, cool. Sorry about that. Hate spiders. Okay, let's focus. Alright, Euro AUD, we are weekly. We are bullish on the weekly since like a super long ass time, since 2023. We've been ranging on that weekly time frame. Now let's take a look at the daily. Finally, I had a big break to the upside. So now, the next daily area of interest is going to be right here, I guess. So we got 1, 2 to the left ish. So not really. So this one's going to be, yeah, this one's going to be it. Yeah, boy. So here we got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, all right. So this one is valid. I can't use my fib yet because we don't have a resistance formed. What else? Major QP. All right. All right. All right. So we have a major QP here at 177. Alrighty. I'm actually gonna move this up too. H4. Yo, H4. I mean, now look like this one might be closing bullish. So if it doesn't close bullish, I'm gonna use my fib. But like, technically I can use it now, but it's useless. So, we talked about that one. NZD-CHF, we talked about that one. GA. Did we talk about NZD-GBP? Yes. NZD-CHF? Yes. GA? Oh, okay. What about GA? Wait for H4. For confutation. Oh, that's cute, Sasha. For continuation. Man, I have a hard time saying that. The Frenchies like having a really hard time saying this. Perfect. Okay, so now let's take a look at the daily. Data is bullish. New high has been formed. So that is the same thing. Like, what's going on, man? Oh, that's cute though. I like this. I like this very much. That can be a nice continuation also. Whoa, man, there's a lot of potential, guys. Now I'm getting excited here. Okay. Oops. Not what did I want. So let's delete this. Boom. Let's do this again. Entering H4GZ. Perfect. Awesome. Man, we got a lot of potential. Lots. Many, many, many potentials. Alright, GU. Man, it's getting warm. Alright, so we got a weekly here. Weekly bearish. Woo! Alright. So this one's starting to be ugly now. Like, yeah, we're right, like, about to flip bullish now. So yeah, that one's gonna be on pause. Yeah, the daily just flipped bullish. Okay, so day one, we're gonna unflag, move down, update this, put it daily, higher high, and daily higher low. Boom. Alrighty. 4 hour is probably obviously bullish right here and right here. So here we can delete this and this. Perfect. Now, do we have room for a counter trend trade here? If this closed bullish though, yeah, now we're gonna have to wait. Like this one, yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely this one's on flag. All right. I saw something pop up in the chat. I'll go there in a second. Weekly here, we are bullish. Nice pullback inside a weekly golden zone. Weekly and daily area of interest. I was waiting for daily SOS here. That it's far to happen. Very far to happen. Hopefully, I'm actually going to place an alert though here, so I can keep track, because we might create a lower low, and that would be the best scenario. Creating a new daily lower low. And why it's going to be the best scenario? It's because now it's going to be much faster after this to break here than break here, right? And we're going to be retesting and go up. So I'm actually going to leave this. Perfect. That's pretty much it. Let's go back to GJ. H4 dogtail setup in 30 minutes. Let's see. Whoa. Daily is bearish also. We're going back in that range? No, please, no. Fuck. That range was horrible last week, man. For like from Monday to fucking Friday, stuck in that range, fake out to the downside, go back up, another fake out, and we're going back down. What? Like, look at this range. This ugly ass range. Like, this fucking disgusting. This, I call that dog shit area. Oop. Yeah. Nope. Not gonna trade the dogtail stuff in here. That is for sure. I know, because I tried last week, didn't work out. I can't remember. I think I had 2 break even, 1 loss, or 2 loss. I don't know. But yeah, this was horrible. Like, there was so much volume that I was like, all right, I'm gonna be able to grab a quick like 15 pips, 20 pips. But every time it went like super close to it, the reject, I'm like, fuck it. And ending up like closing either -5, break even, you know, small losses obviously, but still. So not gonna touch it. Do not touch it. Alright, let me see the chat here. Jacob, what's up? How many of the trades would you take at the same time if all gave perfect entry? Would you enter all or just one DAF correlation? Or alright, so that's a pretty good question. I think the most I did was 3 at the same time. But most of the time what I'll do if they are all equal, you know, that's different. But if there's one that looks a little nicer, I'm gonna go, because it all depends on your own personal risk. Okay. Sometimes when I go all out, I can go up to like 5. I did once 8%, but this was crazy. But usually, like if I go all out, I'll go with a 5 or 6. You know. So what I can do is use 3 for the best one, and use either 1 or 1.5 or 2 for the 2 others, right? So total risk is going to be my same that I'm going to be exposed, but it's going to be split on different trades, you know. So that's something sometimes I do. I just split my overall risk, but that is the max I'll go, you know. So, Marnus, how you doing, bud? Hey, Jacob. I don't know if you did send me. Yeah, you have sent me an email, right, for the boot camp, because I'm gonna need to send, because you're the one that won the free access, right? So I need to send you the link. I'm gonna create the link this week. So I don't know if you heard the story. We push the boot camp next week because I got to leave for Paris. I just learned that yesterday. So good morning, Martin. Okay, good. All right. So any questions, guys? Any questions? Let's see. Bam. All right. So since we have time, let's do. Guys, I know I'm annoying with this game, but you gotta check it out, man. If it's your first time hearing about this, you gotta check out this game. Let me put the screen bigger. Alright. So here is PhotoFinish Live. PhotoFinish Live is a crazy ass fun game, where you can actually earn and play. Okay. So you can just go, if you're a DGen and you like to bet, you know, you go on online casino and you can do exactly the same here. Okay, so you can actually bet on horses, and there's race like I can't remember, I think it's every 30 seconds. You know, there's always races, you know, going on. They're actually working with couple casino, couple sports bar to have this included in there, so people can actually bet live on it. It's pretty cool. So if you just like to bet, go in there. It's super fun. There's also another one. Actually, give me 1 sec here. Let me do something else. Oh no, you know what? Let's show the same one. Right here, I guess. Cool. So that's another one. Whatever. Let's go home. Here. Alright. So now you can literally bet on the horses. You can go to the marketplace. You can actually buy horses. Those are Derby. 1,000 Derby. Like 80 Derby is $1. Okay, so you do the math. So you can buy horses. You can raise them, win the purse. You can breed them. If you have a stud, you can put him in the stud barn. People can pay you to use your stud to breed with him. If you have a female, you can either use your own studs, or you can pay to breed with a better horse to create like the next secretariat horse, kind of, you know. So, and yeah, it's super extremely fun, and you can make pretty good money, like really good money. Okay, there's horses there that's been sold like for like 25k USD, 15k USD. Those are like crazy horses, right? But yeah, man, it's a lot of fun. Plus there's a token related to it called Crown. You can take a look at it, pumping right now. So yeah, this is no financial advice, obviously. This is just something I'm very passionate about, and I love to share because the game is just so much fun. And if you decide to join, let me know. There's a link in the description. I'll send you like a free or 2 free horses. Like I got so many now. Like I think I got like 300 something horse. So yeah, I'll give you like 1 or 2 free horses. I'm good, you know. So to me, it's gonna be my gift to you. So All right, so now let's get back to the chart. Let's see if we have any last questions. Yes, we may. Okay, perfect. I'm in GBPCHF. Do you think it will go down to? All right, let's go check. GBPCHF, GBPCHF. All right, let's see. Let's remove your question for 1 second. All right, so GBPCHF is also in a disgusting range here. So I'm not like very excited about it. If we extend this weekly area of interest, which is also the weekly golden zone, I don't know. Let's see. Let's take a look at the daily here. Daily is bearish, pullback, rejected the top. Let's take a look at 4 hours. Sorry for the big red here. But here we're rejecting that daily, and we are bullish on the daily now. So where's my yeah. So here is 4 high. High low. Right now we're rejecting that support. Let's take a look again at the daily. Like we almost flip bullish here. Like those two rejected this area here to the left, right, which is your lower high. And since then, we never created a new higher high. And that, when was that? That was in July 2024. Holy fuck. Yeah, I would personally, I'm not interested in pairs like that. Now, do I think it's gonna go down? I don't know. All right, super close to flip bullish also. Yes, you got that inverted, not inverted, but you got that shampoo pattern. Like obviously if this daily closes like this, it can definitely give you hopes, you know, because now you're gonna have a daily bearish engulfing, huge rejection to the upside. So yes, it would look nice. But this daily candle can flip at any moment. What about the weekly? Weekly, we got a smaller body candle twice in a row. Look at all those wick rejection to the upside. So yes, it can go down, but there's so many, like, that's the thing. Like, and I'm gonna ask you the question. And again, this is not to be rude, ding dong. And I'm super excited that you're gonna be joining the boot camp and we're gonna be working together, because I think those things, it can work out, okay? But I think if you guys start eliminating those maybe trade and focusing on the one that is more clean, right away, your win ratio is going to increase. You know, right away. You know, again, I'm not saying it's not going to work. I'm not saying it's an ugly trade. But there are so many other one that looks much cleaner at the moment that I would not, personally again, I'm not telling you to do this. I'm talking about myself. How I would react if I would see this. If I would have seen this, I said, all right, cool. I'll wait for this. So I'll wait for either two things. First, I want a clean break outside and a retest of this area, and maybe I'll take a look. So it's going to be either a clean break to the upside, come down a retest to go up, or the opposite, you know, something like this, and this. But that is me, you know, because look at this. Like now that we're putting smaller like this, okay, now I think it gives you a better perception that this is, the range start from here to here, okay, So this giving you a pretty good example. This is a barcode. You know, there's no trend in there. You know, this is where most of the people lose their account. I'm not gonna lie, it's true. You know, when you get stuck in a range because oh no, it's breaking now, and it's a fake out, they come back down to the range. Like GJ, look at GJ. GJ did the same thing on H4, on a daily, same shit. You know, same shit. How many people got trapped in this and lost? A shitload, let me tell you. That's for sure. You know, because it gave you the sentiment or the idea that it's gonna be breaking out, and boom, it comes straight back to your stop loss. So, yeah, I would not say if it's gonna go down or not. I just think there's much cleaner setup. So, yeah. So, probably not what you want to hear, but again, I keep telling to everyone, I'm not here to tell people what they want. I'm here to tell people what they need. Okay? So, and if that doesn't fit with you guys, I'm not talking about with you, Dingo, but if doesn't fit, I know it fits with you because you joined the boot camp. So, but if for people watching here and it's like, oh man, he's rude or he's not cool, why is he saying that to this guy? If this doesn't fit with you, please leave, okay? Because I'm not here to give signal. I'm not here to tell you that you're good, you're super extremely good, and wow, what a nice trade idea when it was not a good trade idea. Not saying again, no, it was not a good trade idea. Just need to make sure because sometimes people go crazy on me. But yeah, so hopefully it makes sense. What time is it? Yeah, we're gonna have to end soon. Let me hit the chat 1 second again. Boom. Okay, that's good. That makes sense. I'm always open for advice. That's my boy. Man, let's go. Let's go, Ding Dong. Great. Love it. Awesome. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you that did showed up today. I'm not going to be live for Forex Talk Over Beer on Thursday night because I'm going to be in Paris. But watch my IG. I might give you some updates on IG. And maybe I'm going to use my Telegram once again. I don't know. We'll see. And for people from the bootcamp, hit me up in my DM. Actually, no, I'm going to send you a link. Don't worry. But for people who wants to join, we're going to extend the registration a little bit because we're going to be postponing the bootcamp for next week. So if you want to get in, there's a couple spot left. Hit me up. My email is in the description, or you can send me a DM on IG. All right. So thank you so much again, guys, and I'll see you next week. All right. Thank you so much. Have a great day.